It's IBC2025. I'm here in Hall 8 on the Glensound stand doing one of a number of videos with Mark. How are you doing?
Good, Matt.
So, right, another new product?
Yes, this is one of four actually, but this is the Dark4MAI. MAI. It's a 4-input mic line amplifier. It's also available in a 2-channel mode, and they're also available in a rack mount variant as well. This portable one was the initial one that was requested for one of our projects, because it's a little throwdown box where you just need to get a few microphones into the system. It's got a high-grade Dark mic amps on it. It is remote controllable from Glen Controller. But it has the double redundant network, so we have a primary and secondary on copper. It is PoE. We have primary and secondary on fibre as well, on the SFP slots. If you're not using PoE, we have the backup power on DC. Although we're showing it here as that way, the fact that it's a throwdown box is also feet on that end, so it can just throw down like that. And in a box like this, you wouldn't think so, but where we've got all these cutouts on the side, these are always anchored in the most bizarre positions, flying off truss or in the back of rack somewhere. So it's a utility box really, where you just need to get high quality mics from point A to B across the network and be able to remote control them. So as I said, this one is the 4-channel. It's also available as a 2. Then we have the equivalent rack mount units, which are available in 2 and 4-channel, with the main difference being is that the rack mount versions get twin mains power supplies. So that's the Dark4MAI, the 2 channels, the Dark2MAI, and you put an R on the end for the rack mount versions.
Brilliant. And well, as always, I mean, tough, like you say, throwdown boxes, and being mounted in the back of awkward places, they're going to be dropped, but yeah, feels good.
Yep, and our engineers just enjoyed doing I'm not on that side, on this side, doing the little GS cutout on the side there.
Very nice. Very
the engineers will love the fact I pointed that out.
Got to make their day sometimes. Thank you very much, Mark. So the Dark4MAI 2MAI are on the website.
They are, absolutely. You can go and get more information at glensound.com.
Thanks very much, Mark. For everything else that we're doing at IBC, it's kitplus.com.